What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chef Corey, and today we got that chicken parm sandwich. Show y'all how to get down, man. Make this at home. Easy, super delicious. Let's get to it. So right here, I had a whole chicken breast. I split it in half. It's just easier and it tastes better. All I did was season it with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of Tony's in the flour. Y'all gonna see it coming up. A little bit of olive oil. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. Oh, right here. Oh my God, I had made that garlic butter. Whew. I see what that garlic butter consists of: butter, salted butter, parsley, minced garlic, a little bit of basil, Parmesan cheese. You got your garlic butter. Ooh. See right here, I was mentioning the flour, and I seasoned it. So I seasoned the flour with a little bit of salt. I didn't even add no pepper to it, just some salt and some Tony's and some garlic powder. That was it. I added 3 eggs, my breadcrumb, 3-stage breading procedure. 3 bread. If you made it this far through the video, and you made it this far making this amazing chicken sandwich, chicken parmesan, no, garlic butter, no, garlic bread chicken sandwich, yeah. So if you made it this far, it's almost done, man. Let's get to it. You almost finished. You halfway there. Let's go. what's the green stuff? You remember the basil at the beginning of the video? Yes, put that on top and watch me work. Hear he made it to the end of the video. The job is done. Like Kobe said, job finished? I don't think so. But this job is finished. Let's get it. Let's eat. If y'all enjoyed this recipe, enjoyed this video, man, let's get to it. Follow me on Instagram, Chef Corey B. I'm here on YouTube, Chef Corey B. Follow me. Eat this sandwich. Salute, man. Enjoy. I'ma holla at y'all.